What is up? Kate was here. I'm going to show you how I redecorated my bedroom, aka my work from home station, with Ikea Philippines. This is my bedroom before. Except for my Tempur-Pedic bed, TV, newly renovated closet, and inverter aircon, almost everything here is from the 90s and 2000s. That's my college study table. College was a gazillion years ago. Ooh, vintage stickers from the 90s and 2000s. That is my post-college bookcase TV rack. Hey Pinoy 90s kids, do you recognize these stackable plastic drawers from this once famous Manila store called Anonymous? Time capsule! So why did I keep all of these? Backstory, I live in the province, most of my friends are from Manila, I hardly have any friends come over to visit, and pre-pandemic I was always traveling and on the go, so I never really cared about how my bedroom looked. But all of that changed when the pandemic kept me mostly stuck at home. A new life of remote working, online events, online recordings, Zoom calls, and live streaming made me a little more self-conscious about my bedroom. I realized a change is way overdue. First things first, you gotta go. Let me know if you get that MTV 1998 reference. It's time to get rid of my old junk and college furniture. Goodbye, old desk. Goodbye, clutter. Marie Kondo would be so proud of this. I donated my old furniture and decluttered items to charity. It felt both nostalgic and therapeutic. It's like I had just cleansed both my room and my soul. And because Ikea opened in the Philippines in November 2021, I waited for the hype to fizzle down a bit before I went for a visit. But I want to show you my pregame. This is how I prepared for my big Ikea room renovation. You can't just splurge on Ikea without a plan. I spent weeks browsing through Pinterest and Ikea's website for ideas. I narrowed down my final choices of work table, desk organizer, bookshelf, wall decor, side table, and closet organizer. I whipped out the good old measuring tape to measure every corner of my room, measure my previous furniture, and estimate where I can arrange the new Ikea furniture. Okay, I'm no designer or architect, so this is the best I could do. Rough Photoshop layouts to help me visualize my plans and possible arrangements. And off to Ikea I went. Excuse my happy dance. Say hello to the affordable Swedish furniture chain Ikea, or Ikea for a more proper pronunciation. Like a child visiting Disneyland for the first time, I ran amok in Ikea, tempted to buy a zillion things I don't need. The same thing I do whenever I enter Daiso or Decathlon. But don't worry, I stuck to the plan, more or less. This is the bookshelf I want! The famous Billy bookcase. It is estimated that every 5 seconds, one Billy bookcase is sold somewhere in the world since the first Billy was launched by Ikea in 1979. Well, count me in that statistic. I even brought my measuring tape for a good measure. Get it? Good measure? Now that I've chosen what I need, it's time to swipe my credit cards and put everything in my truck. Yes, I brought my own truck to the parking lot of Ikea. I'm a Girl Scout. I came prepared. And now it's time to build, starting with my work table, the Trotten. I wanted a white work table that's big enough to fit my TV, my MacBook, desk organizers, and other gadgets, with enough space for my unboxing videos. No, I did not buy any electrical tools because of my ego. I wanted to prove to myself that I can build with manual tools only and my bare hands. Of course, I realized after my hands got calloused from all the building that it's a bit harder than I expected. But I did it! Next is the Lenart, a drawer unit. I needed an under-the-table organizer for all of my junk, my stationery, office supplies, and fidget toys. This one was pretty easy to build and move around. Next, we have my night table, the a.k.a. There are different sizes, colors, and combinations to choose from. I picked the white-on-white combo with a door on the bottom. I did not buy the wooden legs because I wanted this as a side table that's flat on the floor. Okay, I'll admit this one was a bit tricky, a bit hard to build because the connectors were tight. Next, well, this wasn't part of the plan, but if you take a peek inside my closet, you'll notice it needs a little bit or a lot of help. So I purchased the soprot or pull-out storage in different sizes. No building, just attaching. This helped my closet go from this to this, and then this. Not bad, huh? Now we have IKEA's best sellers. We have the Savensas, I hope I pronounced that right. It's a magnetic whiteboard, and the Scatus, a pegboard with accessories. And last but not the least, and definitely not the easiest to build, thank goodness I have practice, the Billy Oxburg, IKEA's most famous bookcase since the 70s. One thing I appreciate about IKEA is that the illustrations of the tools are to scale, so if you're not sure you have the right screw size, just place it on top of the drawing to double check if it's the right one. You can purchase the Billy bookcase alone for 5,990 pesos or add the Oxburg, the glass doors, for 2,000 pesos each, which is what I did. And drums. Dan, 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 dan. You can do this, Builder Kate. Oh, in case you're wondering, that white stool on the side is the Ballman step stool, also from IKEA and super useful around the house. To keep your bookshelf from tipping over, you need to attach the free IKEA bookcase fasteners firmly to your wall. Almost done! Just 2 tempered glass doors left. And now it's time for the big reveal! So, what do you think? I know a lot of Pinoys are obsessed with IKEA right now, and I can't blame you because so am I. What else did you get from IKEA to spruce up your home? Let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to KateWasHere.com, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. This has been Kate of Kate Was Here.